Here's one of my favorite ways to cut an onion, made for all my beginner cooks watching. I start with cutting off the top of the onion. Leave the side with the little hairs intact. That's the root. I like to use my knife and make a shallow cut all the way up the side of the onion so I can easily grab and peel off the skin. Some onions don't like to cooperate, so don't worry if it takes you a few minutes. Then take your knife and make vertical cuts right at the edge of the root like I do. You can make more cuts if you want more finely chopped pieces, or leave more space between cuts for a thicker cut. This part's up to you. Then flip it on its side, hold it firmly, and make cuts across the bottom of the onion leading up to the root. The same thing applies here, that you can make your cuts close together or keep it wide. This method isn't perfect. You can still end up with some pieces that didn't get cut, but that's an easy fix. If this video helped you out in any way, I would love to see you subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year and would love to see you be a part of my journey. Thank you for watching.